A remarkable finding of modern science is the fact that the lower bowel or colon is really a health organ. We have known for a long time that a huge number of bacteria live there, actually 10 times the number of the total cells in the human body. The remarkable new findings indicate that this bacteria factory has many health benefits. But only if the mix of bacteria is favorable, meaning many more good bacteria than bad ones. A startling recent discovery has been that most overweight people have a bad mix of colon bacteria. This bad mix technically is called dysbiosis. What causes this type of bad bacterial mix to occur? It is the type of diet, often high meat and saturated fat, that overweight people have eaten over many years. There is still much that is not known, but here is what we do know. It is normal to make some calories in the colon. However, when bad bacteria, again called dysbiosis, are present, you make about twice the number of calories in the colon and they are all absorbed. That's right. You get some calories from the food you eat, but you also make additional calories in the colon. You make much more when you are overweight and have dysbiosis in the colon. When you have bad bacteria and dysbiosis in the colon wall itself weakens and allows toxins, unwanted chemicals, and even bacteria parts to seep into the bloodstream, reach your liver and eventually your general circulation. Toxins are bad for everyone, especially for the overweight individual. They lead to chronic inflammation throughout the body and contribute to high blood pressure and heart disease. They contribute to obesity. Dysbiosis is clearly related to increased insulin resistance and difficulty in blood sugar control. Medical trials have shown that correcting dysbiosis with prebiotics makes type 2 diabetes easier to control. There is much research being done to unravel the cause and effect. However, you are in a different and worse risk group when you are overweight and have dysbiosis. Prebiotics are not probiotics. A probiotic is a live bacteria that you take by mouth, as in yogurt or a pill, in the hope that it will make a beneficial change in the digestive tract. A prebiotic, on the other hand, is a plant fiber, a specialized form of soluble fiber that has distinct actions within the colon. Simply put, these fibers are the fuel that drives the very best bacteria already in the colon to vigorously multiply. We know these good bacteria can and do grow and divide every 20 minutes if there is enough nourishment around. Keeping a rich supply of the best prebiotics in the colon is simply the healthiest thing you can do in order to prevent dysbiosis in the colon. Prebiotic health benefits in the overweight person. It is quite surprising that so much medical research has occurred so quickly in this area. So, here is what we know. A predominance of good bacteria in the gut makes fewer calories than when bad bacteria are predominant. There is a hunger hormone made in the wall of the stomach. Less of this hormone is made when prebiotics are a rich part of your diet. You have less hunger. There are satiety or fullness hormones made in the wall of the small intestine. Prebiotics increase the release of these beneficial hormones to give you an earlier sense of fullness when you eat. A leaky gut is corrected and the passage of toxins and other unwanted materials into the blood is slowed down or stopped. Blood sugar control is better and there is less insulin resistance. Inflammation in the gut and body is reduced. Believe it or not, when a good bacterial balance is present in the gut, different chemical signals are sent to the brain via the bloodstream. Positive behavioral emotions seem to occur, perhaps even changing your eating habits. Mood and emotions seem to improve. This is early but very startling research. The Complete Health Formula Shake contains dietary fiber. Each formulated shake will provide a good source of dietary fiber using chicory root, inulin, konjac root and guar gum. Inulin will have a prebiotic effect by feeding the good bacteria in your stomach to optimize gut health. The Complete Health Formula Shake is more than just a meal replacement. It has been specifically formulated to support gut and colon health. Get started on your way to a healthier colon and gut today. Incorporating one shake a day, you will not only feel less bloated and support a better bowel movement, but your colon and gut flora will thank you. Click the link below to get started.